my tutorial for a turquoise fall leaf glitter tumbler. I am going to be using these behemoth 40 style camper mugs, 40 ounce style camper mugs from Craft Haven for this design. I had purchased these a few weeks ago to see how big they are, and they're pretty hefty. You will definitely make your daily water quota with these biggins. Now that I'm all prepped, I'll be base painting my tumbler burgundy, but you can use any color that is showcased in the glitter we'll be using today. Autumn Equinox. Oh my gosh, you guys, it has purples, coppers, golds, turquoise, reds, pretty much all the jewel tones, and it screams fall. This is one of PDB Creative Studios' newest colors, and if you've been with me since about mid-June, this color should look very familiar. This is the color mix we made during the Fall Leaf Snow Globe tutorial. Suzanne from PDB was an absolute angel and mixed this custom color for us. Be sure to grab one when it's back in stock. It is so pretty. Because this is a chunkier mixed glitter, I'm going to be taking some wax paper and flattening out as much as I can. This will help me from having to sand a lot later and to get it nice and smooth. Because I did the wax paper, I added 2 coats of epoxy and I didn't really have to sand. My tumbler was nice and smooth and ready for stencils. And remember, you guys, these are the Stemgate 2021 leaves, okay? Cut the stems off, all right? Cut those stems off. When you're all done, spray paint your tumbler turquoise or whatever color you choose to make your tumbler, and then we'll be ready to add some dust, foil dust that is, from Southern Belle Glitter. At first I thought it was like mica powders, but the texture is different. When I apply it using the tack it method, the look of it, it's almost like it's velvety. I mean, I love it. I absolutely love it. It almost has like a texture look to it. So of course, I went to the Southern Belle website and bought all the other colors because, yeah, you'll definitely be seeing some of the other colors in a tutorial soon. Use code BMD10 to save 10% off when you shop. Save some coins, y'all. Save some coins. When you're done adding your dust or your micas, if you don't have the foil dust, because micas, they'll work too. Fine glitter, like the really super fine glitter, like the .008 glitter will work as well. Whatever you have on hand. Then we'll be ready to add our copper flake. I'll be applying the flake right on top of the foil dust because this is a peekaboo. I didn't want to peel up my leaves, epoxy, reapply the leaf stencils, then apply the foils. So I just did it all on one layer and it came out perfectly fine. Now, if you want to do that though, I mean, you know, feel free. Do what you want to do, but ain't nobody got time for that. When I was all done, I pulled up my stencils and then I sealed my foils and foil dust with a clear sealer. Then I was ready to apply a coat of epoxy. Now we're ready to apply our leaf outlines. You know, y'all, I love these leaves. I absolutely love them. They look, I keep saying absolutely, but they look so beautiful, but weeding. You got to be in the mood to weed, okay? So just, just warning, because, oh Lord, these leaves. Now, if you're one of the few that actually like weeding, then ignore me. And, oh yeah, you're weird. I love you, but you're weird. When you're all done, seal with a coat of epoxy. And honestly, this cup needs no decal, fam. I decided to add one, but I would totally rock this design as is, so don't feel like you need to add one. I did just because I'm revamping a design I made a couple of years ago, so I used the same decal I used then. For the bottom, in order to have a completely smooth surface to work with, I added some UV resin to the smaller middle indentation just to make the area flat. Then I used the same techniques on the tumbler itself on the bottom. Then I added my signature and sealed with more UV resin. It's sunny out, so I took my tumbler outside to cure. I finished by sealing my tumbler till it was nice and smooth, and then I was all done. You guys, the revamp of this design, oh, it is so pretty. It looks like something you can get like in a high-end like cup store or something like that. I mean, not to toot my own horn, but toot toot. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your turquoise fall leaf tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.